Hey everyone, SkillsFix TT here. Tired of staring at loading screens? Is your computer as responsive as a brick? You've come to the right place. We're diving into the top 10 PC upgrades to breathe new life into your system. From simple swaps to more involved upgrades, there's something here for everyone. So grab your screwdrivers and let's get started.
Let's tackle the heart of your computer's speed, the storage drive. If you're still using an old hard disk drive or HDD, it's time to upgrade to a solid-state drive or SSD. It's like trading in your rusty bicycle for a spaceship. Boot times will go from grab a coffee and wait to blink and you'll miss it. Applications will open in a snap and your system will feel snappier than ever. This is the biggest upgrade for your PC's responsiveness. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. It holds all the stuff your computer needs to access quickly. Running out is like juggling chainsaws on a unicycle messy. Upgrading RAM means smoother multitasking, less stuttering, and happier apps. No more closing tabs to open a new program.
Gamers and creative pros, listen up. The GPU is your ticket to stunning visuals and smooth frame rates. Upgrading an old GPU can be like strapping a rocket engine to your system. But check your power supply and case size before upgrading. Chapter 4. The CPU, or processor, is the brain of your computer. And just like our brains, a faster one makes a world of difference. Upgrading your CPU leads to significant performance gains, especially in tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. But be warned, this upgrade can require a new motherboard, so factor that into your budget.
Chapter 5. The motherboard is the foundation of your PC, connecting all components. For a major CPU upgrade, you might need a new motherboard. A new motherboard offers faster RAM support, more M.2 slots for fast SSDs, and better connectivity. Ensure it's compatible with your case and components. Chapter 6. The PSU is the heart of your PC, pumping power to all components. If your PSU can't handle new hardware, it's like powering a Tesla with an AA battery. Upgrading to a PSU with sufficient wattage and efficiency is crucial for stability. Trust me, don't skimp on this one.
Just like us, computers don't perform their best when they're overheating. A good cooling system can significantly improve your component's performance and lifespan. You've got options. Air coolers are generally more affordable, while liquid cooling offers more efficient heat dissipation for those who want to push their systems to the limit. Chapter 8. Case. More than just a pretty face. Don't underestimate the importance of a good case. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about airflow, space for components, and cable management. Upgrading to a larger case can improve airflow, reduce component temperatures, and make future upgrades a breeze. Plus, good cable management makes everything look neater and more professional.
Chapter 9. Peripherals. Elevate your computing experience. Now for the fun part, peripherals. Upgrading your monitor, keyboard, and mouse can drastically improve your overall computing experience. Consider a higher resolution or faster refresh rate monitor for sharper visuals and smoother gameplay. A mechanical keyboard can offer a more responsive and satisfying typing experience, while a high DPI mouse can improve accuracy and precision. Chapter 10. Operating system and software. Stay up to date. Don't forget about your software. Keeping your OS and software up to date ensures the latest features, security updates, and compatibility. If your hardware meets the requirements, upgrade to the latest OS version. Always back up your data before any major software upgrade.
And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 PC upgrades for maximum performance. Whether you're looking for a simple speed boost or a complete system overhaul, these upgrades will have you gaming, creating, and working like a pro. Remember to check compatibility before making any purchases and always back up your data. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.